Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2008 to 2013 Jeep, Liberty and Cherokee? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you easily locate and understand every fuse. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in 2008 and 2009, Jeep, Liberty, and Cherokee manages circuits for critical systems like the engine, transmission, and cooling fans. It houses both fuses and relays for electrical protection and control. The layout and labeling assist with quick identification and troubleshooting. The 2010 Jeep, Liberty, and Cherokee engine compartment fuse box supports essential power distribution to major systems like ABS, engine control, and lighting. It integrates relays and high-amperage fuses for efficient circuit management. Clear labeling aids in maintenance and diagnostics. The engine compartment fuse box in 2011 and 2012, Jeep, Liberty, and Cherokee controls power delivery to key systems such as the ECU, cooling fans, and headlights. It combines high-capacity fuses and relays for system protection and operation. The organized layout ensures easier identification for service and repair. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.